Okay. Okay. First year, first unit in the diversity of living world in short questions and answers. Okay. ఈరోజు మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే డైవర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ వరల్డ్ లోపల ఉండే షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి చదువుకుందాం. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈజ్ మెంట్ బై టాటోనిమ్? గివ్ టు ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. ద ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆఫ్ నేమింగ్ ద animals in which the generic name and species name is the same is called tautonymy. Example, axis. Which one the name of the spotted deer? Naza, cobra. Gallus, hen. This is the 2 marks question, very important. Okay, now second question, what does code of zoological nomenclature. Okay, what does ICZN stand for? International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Give the name of the any 4 protostomians, any protostomian phyla. Protostomians phyla, one is the Annelida. Second one is Arthropoda. Third one is Arthropoda. Next one, Platyhelminthes. These are the first. Next one, Nematoda. Nematihelminthes. These are the 4 phyla of protostomians: Annelida, Arthropoda, Platyhelminthes, Nematihelminthes or Nematoda. Next one, list out any 4 sacred group in India. One is the sacred group in India. First of all, Kashi Jayantiya Hills. Sacred groups in India. Kashi Jayantiya Hills. Kashi Jayantiya Hills. Meghalaya. Next one, Aravali Hills. Karnataka, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Gujarat. Next one, Western Ghat region. Karnataka and Maharashtra. Last one, Chanda, Madhya Pradesh. Next question, fifth one, write the full form of IUCN, in which the book threatened species are enlisted. Which one? This is the IUCN, International Union for the conservation, and nature and natural resources. The book Threatened Animal. Which book? Red Data book. Red Data book. Threatened species are enlisted. Which book? Red Data book. Next one, sixth question. Mention any two products of medicinal or medical importance obtained from nature. Okay, number one is vinblastine. Vinblastine is one of the medicinal plant. Vinblastine. Vinblastine is useful anti-cancer drug. Anti-cancer from the Vinca rosea. Vinca rosea. Second one, digitalin. This is the Digitalis purpurea.